Let's divide 156 by 2. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud. You rock. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 156 by 2. We look at the first digit of 156, which is 1. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 1. Since 2 is bigger than 1, it doesn't fit, so we put a 0 in the quotient for this spot. No way, Jose. 0 times 2 is 0. We write 0 under the 1. Now we subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1. We have 1 left over. Easy peasy. You're doing amazing. That was a super start. Now let's bring down the next digit 5 to join the 1. Get ready for the next round. Hooray, we've got a 15. Now we ask, how many times does our divisor 2 fit into 15? We bring down the 5 to make 15. Look at that big number. Let's think 2 times what is close to 15. How about 7? That's right, 2 fits into 15 7 times. Let's check. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. We write 14 under our 15. Time to subtract. 15 minus 14 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. You got this. Fantastic work, you're getting closer to the answer. Let's bring down the last digit 6 to join the 1. Almost there. Wowzers, we have 16. This is our final number to divide. How many times does 2 go into 16? We brought down the 6 and now we have 16. Look at us go. Think of your 2 times tables. 2 times 8 equals 16, so 8 is our magic number. Let's multiply. 8 times 2 equals 16. Perfect, we write 16 under the 16. Subtracting now. 16 minus 16 equals 0. No remainder this time, hooray. You absolutely nailed it. That was spectacular. And that's it, we've divided all the numbers. The answer is 78. We did it. 156 divided by 2 is 78. Great job, everyone. We just learned how to divide 156 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step builds your math superpowers. Keep practicing. Woohoo, you crushed that division problem. Keep exploring and learning with us at Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes. Bye, waving hand.